வீடியோ எடுக்கும்போது ஆடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகல, அதை நான் டப்பிங் வாய்ஸ் தந்திருக்கேன். Example 2.32. Find the sum of the 0.40 plus 0.43 plus 0.46 plus etc. plus 1. We want to find the sum of the given series. The two way to we find the sum of the series. The first way we using the first formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Second formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. We using the two formula. Okay, which one is suitable? We find here, you see the first term is the 0.40, second term is the 0.43. The difference between the two terms we know. Okay, next last term is given in the sum. Last term is given in the sum. Therefore L is given, we use in the second formula. The L is the given, therefore we use in the second formula. Okay, still we find the number of terms. We find the number of terms, that means the n. We want to find the n value. Okay, next we substitute the n value in the second formula, we are getting the answer. Now we take write the a value, that is the first term, a equal to 0.40, the d equal to second term minus first term. Second term 0.43 minus 0.40, we are getting the difference is 0.03. Okay, next last term, the last term is the 1. We finding n, therefore n equal to L minus a divided by d plus 1. Therefore n equal, L is the 1 minus a value 0.40, the d value 0.03 plus 1. Therefore n equal 1 minus 0.40, we get the value is 0.60. You see the 1.00 minus 0.60, we are getting the 0 minus 00, therefore 10 minus 4, we are getting the 6, 0.60. 0.60 divided by 0.03 plus 1. Now you see the numerator and denominator having the 2 place decimal. Therefore we multiply the 100. Therefore n equal 0.60 into 100 divided by 0.03 into 100 plus 1. Therefore the decimal values are changed to whole number. Therefore we are getting n equal 60 divided by 3 plus 1. 60 by 3, we are getting the 20. 20 plus 1 equal to 21. Therefore we find out the n value is 1. Next we want to find out the sum of the series. The last term is given here, therefore using the second formula, Sn equal n by 2 a plus l. Therefore S n place we write the 21, n is the 21 by 2, a 0.40 plus l is the 1. Next S21 equal 21 by 2. 21 by 2, we get the value is at 10.5 into, we are getting value 1.40. Next 10.5 into 1.0. 10.5 into 1.40. What is the value? The value is S21 equal to 14.7. Okay, therefore S21 value is the 14.7. The example 2.33. How many terms of the series 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus etc. must be taken that their sum is 190. Therefore 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus etc. the sum is 190. Therefore equal to 190 equal to 190. Now you see, we add all the terms, therefore first term, second term, third term, okay, the 1 plus 5 plus 9 values, we add all the values, we are getting the sum value is 190. Okay, we add all, we get the value is the 190. Therefore, how many terms is asking the question? How many terms is asking the question? Okay, therefore now you see how many terms. Therefore Sn is given 190. A equal to 1, that is the first term. Next D equal to common difference, second term minus first term. 5 minus 1 equal 4. Next we want to find out the number of terms. How many terms in the series? Number of terms. Therefore n equal to question mark. Therefore Sn is given 190 and the D is given. Therefore we use in the first formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn value 190 equal the n value we don't know. Therefore write it same, n by 2 2a. A value is the 1. We write 1 plus n value we don't know, therefore we write n minus 1. The D is the 4. Therefore 190 equal to n by 2 plus the 4 into n 4n, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. You see the 2 and minus 4 are the numbers, 4n is the variable. Therefore 2 minus 4, the difference is the minus 2. 190 equal n by 2, 2 minus 4, we are getting value minus 2. Therefore we write 4n minus 2. Therefore you see 4n and minus 2, these are divisible by 2. 190 equal to n into, they divided by 2, we get 2n minus 1. Next we take the n and multiply inside. 190 equal n into 2n, 2n square, n into minus 1 minus n. Therefore you take the 190 to right hand side, 2n square minus n minus 190 equal to 0. Now we factorizing this quadratic equation. You see the power is the 2. Therefore this equation is called the quadratic equation. Therefore it have two factors. Now we factorizing it. First term, first coefficient of the first term and the last term we multiple 2 into minus 190, we get the value minus 380. The multiple value gives the minus 380 and addition is minus 1. Therefore we factorizing the 380, we reduce by the 2. Therefore 2 divide 190, Next again divide by 190 by 2, we get the 95. Next you take the 5 and divide by 95, therefore 19 times is divide. Now you say the 4 into 5, the 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 is the 20, therefore write the addition value is the minus 1. Okay, the multiple value minus 380, the addition gives minus 1. Therefore 4 into 5, we get the value is the 20. And 20 into 19. Therefore multiple value give minus 380, the addition value gives the minus 1. Therefore biggest number we take minus value, minus 20 into 19, we get the minus 380. Minus 20 plus 19, we are getting the minus 1. Therefore, before you see the variable, the 2n, therefore you divide by 2n. The 2 divide the minus 20 is minus 10. Therefore, n minus 10. Therefore, n minus 10 is the one factor. The 2n plus 19, 2 plus 19 having the plus sign, therefore 2n plus 19 is another one factor. Now we see we getting the two factors now, then we equal to 0. I take the first factor, the n minus 10 under 2n plus 19. 2n plus 19 gives the negative value, therefore you leave it. Therefore n minus 10 equal to 0, therefore n equal to 10. The n value is the 10, the 2n plus 19, therefore you take the 19 to right hand side minus 19, the n equal to 19 by 2. Okay, therefore negative value is come. But in the number of terms are come in positive value and also the whole number. 13th term of an AP is 3. And the sum of the first 13 term is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of the first 21 terms. The given term 13 equal 3. Another one, sum 13 equal 234. You see, it is a term formula, that one is the sum formula. The term formula and sum formula, both formulas we are using here. Therefore, term formula Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum formula Sn equal, you see the term formula having the d, therefore sum formula also we take also the d. Therefore, the first formula we write Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next the n place is the 13. Therefore, a plus n place we write the 13 minus 1. We d do not know, we write it same equal to 3. A plus 12d equal to 3. Next n value 13 by 2. Next 2 a don't know, we write it same, plus n place 13 minus 1 into d equal to the value is 234. Therefore 13 by 2 into 2a plus 13 minus 1 into d 12d equal to 234. Next divide by the 2, 13 into divide by 2 we get the a plus divide by 2 we get the 6d. We are getting the 60. Therefore, a plus 6d divide by 2, we get the A, and divide by 12, divide by 2 by 12, therefore we get the 60 equal to 234. Next, you take the 13 to right hand side. Therefore A plus 60 equal to 234 divided by the 13. Therefore 113, 13, remainder is the 10. Therefore 104, 104, therefore 8 times, 8 13s are the 104. Therefore A plus 6D equal to 18. Therefore that one is the first equation, this one is the second equation. We write the first equation and the second equation. The first equation minus second equation. Therefore we change the sign of the second equation. The plus signs are changed to minus. Therefore A sign is plus, change to minus. 6D sign is the plus, change to minus. 18 sign is the plus, therefore change to minus. A minus A cancel. 12D minus 6D, we get the 6D. 3 minus 18, 3 minus 18, we get the minus 15. Therefore D equal minus 15 divided by 6. We reduce by 3, minus 5 by 2. The D value is the minus 5 by 2. Next, to find the sum of the 21 terms. The D is given, therefore using the second formula, the Sn equal n by 2, the 2a plus n minus 1 into D. The n place you write the 21, 21 by 2, to A we I not find, therefore find first, very sorry, therefore you take the D value minus 5 by 2 and substitute in first equation. First equation is A plus 12 D plus minus 5 by 2 equal to 3. The 2 divide the 12 6 times, therefore A minus 30 equal to 3. Therefore A equal to 3 plus 30. A equal to 33. Therefore write the 33 in A place. 2 into 33 plus 21 minus 1 into D minus 5 by 2. S21 equal 21 by 2, 66 plus 20 into minus 5 by 2. Therefore 2 divide the 20 is 10 times, 10 into minus 5, minus 50. Therefore 21 by 2, the 66 minus 50. Therefore S21 equal 21 by 2, 66 minus 50, we get the 16. The 2 divide the 16 is 8 times. The 21 into 8 equal 188, 2 8s are the 16. Therefore 168. Therefore S21 value is 168. The example 2.35. In an AP, the sum of the first n term is 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Find the 17th term. You say sum of the n term Sn equal 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Find the 17th term. First, we find out the 17th term. Therefore, S17 is, first we find the 17th term. S17 equal, you write the n place, write the 17. Therefore, 5 17 square divided by 2 plus the 3 into 17 by 2. Next, S17 equal 5 into 17 square 289 divided by the 2 plus 3 into 17 the 51 by 2, 5 into 289, therefore 5 into 289, 5 into 289, one 445 plus 51, the 2 is the common, therefore we take the 2 common denominator 2. Therefore S17 equal, we add the both numbers, 1, we adding both, we get the value is 1496, 1496 divided by 2. We add the both number, so you write 1 by 1, okay, we adding the both number 1 by 1 and adding it, therefore you divided by 2, the 7 2s are 14, next 4 2s are 8, remainder 1, 16, 8 2s are 16. The S17 value we find 748. Next we want to find the 17th term, okay, therefore the sum of the 17th term minus sum of the 16th term, we get the 17th term value. We want to find out the 17th term. We find the 17 before term is the before sum is the 16, okay, therefore S17 minus X16 gives the 17th term. Next we find the S16 equal, the n place we write the 16, 5 into 16 square divided by 2 plus 3 into 16 by 2 equal 5 into 16 square 256 whole divided by 2 plus 3 into 16 what was 3 into 16 48 divided by the 2, okay, 2 divide 256 is the 128, 2 divide the 48 24 times. Therefore S16 equal 5 into 128, the 640 plus 24, therefore 664, we are getting the value is the 664, therefore S16 value is the 664, therefore S17 minus S16 equal to term 17, term 17. S17 value is minus S16 value gives the term 17. Therefore, we write S17 place, we write the S17 value 748 minus S16 place, we write the 664 equal to term 17. The difference is 84. Okay, therefore T17 value is the example 2.36. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. The between numbers 300 and 600. The between numbers are 301, 302, 303, etc. 599. The between numbers, the divisible by 7 only asking the question. We want to find out the first number divisible by 7. First number divisible by 7 we want to find out. Therefore, you take the first number 301 and divide it by the 7. Now we check, is 7 divide the 301. The 3 4 7s are the 28, remainder is the 2, therefore 21, 3 7s are the 21, remainder is the 0. Therefore, it is a accurately divide the 7 divide the 301. Therefore, 301 is the first number of divisible by 7. Therefore, 301. Second number we take, add 7 to previous number. Add 7 to 301, we get the 308. Add 7 to 308, we get the 315 plus etc. Next we find out the last number divisible by 7. Therefore, you take the 599 and divide it by 7. 8 7s are the 56, remainder is the 3, the 39. 5 7s are 35, remainder is the 4. Now you see we getting the remainder is the 4. Okay, therefore the number not come after the 599, the before 599 only the divisible number we take. Then only we take the 4, remainder 4 and the subtract the dividend. 599 minus 4, we get the value 595. 595. The 595 is the last number for divisible by 7. Next, we want to find out the sum. We want to find out the sum of the series. Now you see the A first term, A equal to 301 and the D equal to second term minus first term. The 308 minus 301 equal to 7. The last term 595. The L is given, therefore using the second formula, but first we find the number of terms. Therefore N equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. L plus 595, A plus we write the 301, D plus we write the 7. 595 minus 301, we are getting value 294, divide by the 7 plus 1. The 7 divide the 4 times in the 29 for the 29, therefore 42 times 42 plus 1 43, therefore N value is the 43. Next, the L is given here, therefore use the second formula for finding sum. The Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. The n place we write the 43 by 2 into A is the 301, next L is the 595. S 43 equal 43 by 2 301 plus 595 is the 896. The reduce by 2, we get 448. S43 equal 43 into 448. Therefore, S43 equal 19264. Therefore, 19,264 is the sum of the first 43 terms.